you may notice that, a lot of these formulas are built and kind of designed for pulling you out of the Kestrel. And the reason we do that is because we want to use the Kestrel as a tool and not as a crutch. The Kestrel is the best thing out there for the capability that we need. And the information that we need is all given to you in the Kestrel with applied ballistics solver inside of it. So all of that is necessary, and it's something I don't go anywhere without my Kestrel. But the Kestrel is a tool and not a crutch. So with that, when something starts to fail, right? If you use the Kestrel as a little magic box where you plug something in and you hope everything's plugged in right, and then all of a sudden it gives you a hold and you just use it. When stuff starts to fail, you're not going to know where to look and how to fix it and where to start even. So we're happy that the Accuracy First page is in there, and we use the Kestrel as a training tool. But we want guys to not become dependent on any one piece of kit. And so that's where all these formulas in the Accuracy First page come to light, is because now you're not solely dependent on a shot with the Kestrel. You can step out, and if you don't have that capability, you can use a tool, a formula to get that shot, get that round down range on target, and be as accurate as possible when you're given a disadvantage.